So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Vanshwats and you're watching Etymology Point. So today in this video we are gonna talk about knowledge, that means technology, and today we are going to talk about that how to fix bugs on your PC. And the biggest source of bugs are Windows updates. Bugs also need some place to come, so they get a area to come from, that is Windows update. When you update your Windows, you don't know what things are coming with it. You just update and then bugs also come along with them. So for that you don't have to update your windows and you have to disable them. So for disabling them I am going to tell a trick. So let's get started. So guys, for disabling, the thing you have to do is you have to just go to your run command, then you have to type services.msc. You have to type services.msc in small letters, and then you have to click on OK. And after that you have to go down as much you can at the end of the dialog box. After going down you will find a Windows update option. You have to click on that. Then here it would be manual or automatic. So what you have to do is you have to just disable it from the drop down menu and then apply, and then click on OK, and now your settings are applied, so bugs won't come on your PC, and this can keep your PC safe. So hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, like, subscribe, share and comment on my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.